Remember, as we're reading today, we're focusing on the characters, the setting, and the plot. So the plot would be the problem and the way the characters respond to the problem throughout the story to come to a solution. Before we get started, I want you to choose a shoulder partner. So pick someone around the house, whether it's a family member, a stuffed animal, a pet, somebody who you can look to answer the questions out loud. All right, we're going to read The Lion and the Mouse. A lion lay asleep in a cave, his great head resting on his paws. A shy, quiet little mouse came into the cave and ran across the floor. Before I keep going, I want you to tell your shoulder partner the characters of the story. So you should have said the story's about the lion and the mouse. And I'm looking for text evidence, and I see here is the lion, and here's the little mouse. Because the cave was dark, the mouse did not see the lion. Frightened, the mouse ran, but in his haste to get away, he ran across the lion's nose. Haste means he's in a hurry. The lion woke up. The lion laid his huge paw angrily on the tiny creature. "You will make a good meal," roared the lion. Before we keep going, I'd like for you to identify the setting. So tell your shoulder partner where the story takes place. You should have said in a cave, and I actually found that out in this first paragraph. So it seems like the mouse has a problem. Tell your shoulder partner what the mouse's problem is. So it seems like the lion has now caught the mouse, and the mouse is stuck and might get eaten. So the lion says, "You will make a good meal." And that shows us this mouse is in trouble. Let's see how the mouse reacts to his problem. "Are you going to hurt me?" asked the poor mouse. "Please let me go, and someday I will repay you." So the mouse reacts first through his words. He says, "Are you going to hurt me? Let me go. Someday I'll repay you." The lion was so amused at the idea of the little mouse being able to help the king of beasts that he lifted up his paw and let her go. The mouse ran away to safety, and the lion went back to sleep. So the lion reacts to the mouse by doing what? Yeah, so the lion reacts to the mouse by saying, "Okay, I'll let you go," and he lets him go. Some weeks later, the lion was roaming the forest. Suddenly, the lion found himself caught in a net. He struggled to get free, but the more he wriggled around, the tighter the net twisted around him. So now it seems like the lion has a really big problem. Tell your shoulder partner what the problem is the lion is facing. So the lion's caught in a net, and he just can't get out. Let's see how this problem is solved. Just then the little mouse happened to pass by, and seeing the lion's sad plight, he knew he could help him. The mouse went up to him and soon gnawed away the ropes of the net, freeing the lion. This word gnawed means he chewed at it. So gnawed means he's chewing. So how does the mouse act to solve the lion's problem? Tell your shoulder partner. And you're right, he gnawed away the ropes of the net, freeing the lion. I have helped you like you have helped me, and now I have returned the favor, said the little mouse. Wasn't I right? Even a mouse can help a lion. So now you're going to use this story and answer a discussion question about the story's structure. You'll be telling me about the characters, the setting, and the plot.